Fit friends, today I have a quick full body workout for you. It's going to be quick, easy, but efficient. With me today I have a 15-pound dumbbell and a 30-pound dumbbell, but you pick the dumbbell that fits your level and your comfort. So I'm going to be using the 30 pounds for the heavy suitcase squats, and I'm going to be using the 15-pound dumbbell for the shoulder press and lunges. Alright, let's go ahead and do a quick warm-up. This is going to be a quick video, but let's do a quick warm-up here for about 10 seconds. Go ahead and do a modified jump jack just to get the muscles loosened up. Okay, we're done with our warm-up. I have a couple of moves for you. Let me demo real quick. First move is a lunge. You're lunging back, shoulder press. Lunging back, shoulder press. Second move will be your back row. So you're going to roll back, roll back, roll back. Whatever we do on one side, we do on the other side. And then I'll have you do a single leg RDL. You're going to be coming down here with the weights, squeezing that glute, come back. We're going to transition into a suitcase squat. And then we're going to transition to the other leg and complete the second RDL. Okay, 30 seconds each. Let's go ahead and kick things off here now. I hope you enjoyed this workout, and like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you thought about it. Tell me if there's anything else you would like to see in the next video, and what area you are trying to target, or what fitness goals you're trying to accomplish. I'm here in your corner cheering you on. I'll see you next time. Be well.